Hi, we've been working on using different strategies to divide two whole numbers and getting an answer without a remainder. Today we're going to take a look at what happens when there is a remainder and how we can use our knowledge of multiplying with fractions. Because remember, that's what we're thinking. We're thinking about how we use multiplication to solve division problems, and part of the things that we've learned is how to multiply with fractions. Remember the whole idea about unit fractions is going to be very important and how we kind of think through that. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what happens. So I got 456 divided by 16. And so we're going to look at that. I'm going to set the problem up just the same. I'm either going to use area, the big 7, ratio table, what have you. Maybe I'll look at the area model just to kind of give this some more context. So we have our rectangle. Okay, this side is 16. We're looking for this side because we know the complete area here is 456. Let's see if that makes it a little sharper. Okay. And then we're going to keep track of what we're doing over on this side here. So I have 456. And we'll be multiplying and subtracting until we get down to 0, and then adjusting the area over here. So let's see how this goes. So we have 16, 456. Let's see my 10s. 10 is 160, so 20 would be 320. Okay, so if I multiply by, what was that, by 20? So I'm going to subtract over here. I have 6, 3, 136. So I know that if I look at this section of the rectangle, which is the area 320, I know that this piece of the width over here is 20. And 20, so this area, this is 20 by 16, this is 320 in here. I have 136 left. 10, 160, that'd be too much. 5 would be 80, so let's take a look at this. So if we have 5 over here, so that would be, what I say? 10 is 160, 80. So I'm going to subtract again. 56. So we got, this is 80. Oh, what's that by 5? Okay, so I got 56 left, 16. Let's see, so 2 is 32, 4 is 64, so what's 3? That'd be 48, right? So that's going to leave me with 8 left. If I do 3 here, I didn't do the areas great. Okay, so the areas for, so this, I have a 16 by 20, a 16 by 5, and a 16 by 3 rectangle, and I still have 8 left over, but 8 is less than 16. What can I multiply by to 16 to get 8? Oh, 8 is half. 8 is half. So if I take 16 times 1/2, I'm going to get 8. And now I'll be left with 0. So I have one last piece here. It's 8. And I'm going to multiply by half. So this is half by 16 equals 8. So then I have my 456 over here. I just need to add up all the pieces, the 20, the 5, the 3, and the half. So that's going to give me an answer of 28 1/2. You could also write it in decimal form, 28.5. This could be 0.5 down here if you'd rather do that way. So think of halves, think of quarters, and kind of go from there. Have some fun with this, all right? Bye.